beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agata Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Country people, we don't carry waka enter Relief Market Junction for inside Owerri to show una how people for here they react on top the visit of President Buhari, will come today, come commission some projects for Owerri, Imo State. I beg, make we hear from one bros how in the feel. Bros,
yes.
How you dey feel today where President
My name is Bad River. Yes. The president coming up today, I'm not happy. Because presidents are not doing anything for us in this Nigeria. Especially we Igbo people, see the road where he are coming to commission today, there's no road. All the thing where they notice to do 419. I'm not happy about it. That's why I wanted to show myself. Understand? Yes, again, we Igbo people are suffering too much. We are on the suffer. When persons are coming from Lagos, Abuja, if you are not paying bribe, you cannot enter in Igbo land, which is not supposed. Are we not one Nigeria? What the mean of one Nigeria where we are? Eh? We suffer in all this side, other people are chopping. Is it how the country be? Eh? So what is happening in Nigeria today, I'm not happy. Look at it now, they are holding him.
I beg, what you go like make the government do so that people go happy?
What I would like them to do now is to show people that this one is true, this one is not true. It's what I need. Because why people are supporting Nanikan and that population are saw that Nanikan are telling them the truth, the reality. Why our government is not telling us the truth? Eh? It's not this. It's not purpose.
Okay, bros. Well done, eh?
Yeah.
We don't hear you.
So we need the truth and to see others, because many people are suffering in this country.
Thank you, bros.
Somebody like us now, if you look me now, you know that I'm suffering. So let us know that some are suffering, some are eating.
Thank you, bros.
Let them show the truth. Yes, I thank you very much.
Country people, we still there inside Relief Market Junction. These ones where they see so now some of the motor park them. Where they for Relief Market Junction. People suppose they here, but they not come. Now only few people where they street. Most parts of the street they empty today. Where Oga President come to commission some projects. Make we ask other people, other bros them, how did they feel today where the president come? Bros, how you they feel? How you they feel today where the president Muhammadu Buhari come to Imo State? You not good?
Today no good.
Today no good? Why today no good?
No market. No market.
Okay, no market.
No market.
Okay. So now no market, now you know like how you take see the government. What you go like make government do for you? You want make the open market?
No.
Bros, what you talk? You want market? You know one market? You want make the, if you talk for your language. Akwai Hausa?
Akwai Hausa.
Aha. Talk.
Gaskiya mun ba mu ji daɗi ba saboda mu kasuwanci mun ka toyi kuma mu baki ne mun to kasuwanci kuma bawo labari haka dan mu yau kasuwa mu ji daɗi ba.
Thank you, bros. Well done, eh?
So even Aboki themselves knew that the visit is so poor, and what happened today affect them totality. Do you think that there is where president came, or is a marriage ceremony? Even marriage ceremony is more better. What he see today is so shameful, global embarrassment. So the Mr. Fake Man left in shame. It is Harut nonsense, capital shame. Can you imagine this embarrassment that he has caused himself? Later, he will say he understand the people and he know the people. Opposodima got the intelligence or the integrity. Now, what integrity will he result out of this? The final result, what integrity did Hope Uzodinma got from this? This is embarrassment. This is shame. So we don't need a prophet to explain to us. You cannot see that the voice of the people is also voice of God. God knows where things are going wrong and when things are going right. Nobody needs to come out before Muhammadu Buhari. We know that he is in the wrong track. Yeah, he is in the wrong track. And I appreciate my emo lights. You guys make us proud. Thank you very much for everything that you have done for us today, for showing the world that you are people that stand by your word. We are so grateful and we really appreciate, because, hey, we can see that the man left in shame. I've not seen this type of visit before, that a president of a country left or came into the country as if he's coming to spy. The people have their say. A man that cannot address his people, addressing his people as if he's afraid, did not even address them more than a minute, and he was unable to stay in that place up to 30 minutes. He left the way he came. What is that? Why are we pretending as if nothing is going on when we knew very well, quite alright, that a lot has been going on? The people just decide, and we must listen to the voice of the people. I use this medium as well to appreciate the DOS for their great work, what they have done. Keeping to their promises indeed is a great achievement. The Biafrans, they are really happy right now with the leadership of the Biafra. We move together, oh hey Biafra. The family is so great and more is yet to come. We know that with unity, we can conquer a lot. You can see that during the time of the visit of the president, there's unity completely among everybody. So the devil is even afraid because of the rate of unity. All right, my wonderful family, I am so grateful. I still remain Agatha Progress here on YouTube. And if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, because more is on the way to come. You can't even beat what is about to come. I will update you as soon as it's offered. All right, my wonderful family, I still remain Agatha Progress once again. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.